Hello and welcome to the Knights Bungalow at the Grand Cliff Resort, Munnar. Please welcome to my majestic bungalow, the Knights Bungalow at the Grand Cliff Resort. I'm going to give you the room tour. We start with a beautiful sit-out which is well equipped with a television set and is a nice sit-out area. There is a small little cute dining table here. And of course, the fully equipped mini bar with separate, they've provided 2 electrical kettles and everything is fully equipped as you expect in a property like this. And here, while you're having your fruits, your breakfast, this is the absolutely ethereal view that is accompanying. Now I am opening you and taking you inside the balcony here. Please welcome to my mesmerizing balcony. And the lesser the said, the better about this area, because words will only make its pristine beauty. Really, words cannot capture the fullness that we feel in our hearts here. Absolutely gorgeous. Please come in back into my living room. They have a living room attached. Now I am going to take you towards my master bedroom. Please welcome. So I've kept the door open, beautiful, contemporary locks. And this is my beautiful room, my bed, fully equipped with all the pillows. And this is again the highlight of my room. Ta-da! The gorgeous tea plantations of Munnar. And I even have a little bit of a stream there. And a waterfall and the mist, all captured from the beauty, all the beauty captured from my room. Is this Swiss Alp are the Swiss Alps also going to beat this beauty? This is, I have to say that I have been there, seen that, and then I can say from experience that this is almost beating it, has beaten it truly. What will the beauty of Swiss Alps do in front of this view right from your beautiful expansive room, This is what I want to say, that this is a huge room, almost to the size of a 2 BHK of Delhi. And then you have views like this. You cannot thank your stars when you come to properties like this. And they really truly show you the beauty of Munnar. I'm taking you inside my washroom area where there is this well-equipped jacuzzi. There is a sink here and the bathing area. I'm going to take you outside. Please come. Very well equipped, and again, this view is, you just can't get enough of this view. Now over here, this is the little, the study desk that they provided here with the television set. I'm again in my living room and I just can't take my eyes off this view. Please turn your camera here. It's you get it from all over your room. Howsoever big that room is, they've made sure that you see this, you internalize this, and you let your soul completely get immersed in the beauty of this Munnar's beauty, the nature here. And yes, this is the second room that they've attached with this complex, huge complex as I said earlier. And yes, this is the cherry, the icing on the cake, truly, unbeatable Munnar beauty. Munnar at its true best. This kind of nature completely draws you in. And you just want to be one with this view. You just want to experience this serenity, this magic in its wholesomeness. It's a huge, spacious complex. Really, that is adding to the beauty of this setup. And there is a separate attached bathroom in this area. There's a washroom area. And again, a fully equipped, complete washroom except for the jacuzzi, of course. You can have a look. And I think if you take this off while you're bathing, you can have this beautiful view here. I'm sorry, I did it the opposite way. So look at this. While you're bathing, this is the view that you're experiencing. Isn't this magical? Isn't this absolutely gorgeous? This is the view you get from your bath area. So this was about my room here. I think I'm really short of words, and I'm taking you back to this area. I can't get enough of this room. And truly, they have made a beautiful property. They have equipped it with the right value of rooms, the beauty rooms. Yeah, and this is the out view that we get from right from outside a room. This is a huge bungalow setup that they've provided. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed it and a must visit place. Thank you everyone.